Renovated village house for sale in Palvarinho, parish of Salgueiro do Campo, municipality of Castelo Branco, central Portugal. The house comprises 2 floors, distributed as follows. On the ground floor, we have this spacious living room. A bathroom with bathtub and natural light. All the furniture and equipments are included in the sale price, excluding decorative objects, which can be negotiated separately. A bedroom. And a small storage room. Going up the wooden staircase, we arrive at a living room, where the rustic characteristics were maintained, showing the wooden floors and ceilings, their excellent condition. Two additional bedrooms complete this part of the house. In turn, and completing the layout of the house, next we have a small kitchen with fireplace. The house is well located within the village and has easy access to the city of Castelo Branco at the distance of 12 kilometers, 15 minutes. Excellent option at an attractive price, either as a permanent residence or as a holiday home.